Hello and welcome. Just a relatively short one today. If you have a Viking Husqvarna and it's quite noisy, rattly, sort of a rattly sound, and if the machine's got a bobbin case that looks like this, well, this video might be helpful for you. These bobbin cases are used on very many different models. So this particular one is a Viking. This is a English or British machine. So this was sold in Britain, and this is the 5000 series. But when this machine was sold here in New Zealand, they would have been called Husqvarna, and I think in Australia as well, South Africa maybe. I'm not 100% sure, but in the USA and European countries, I think they were called Viking. Now this covers, you know, the 5000 series, as I say, the 2000 series, and the likes of this here. This is a Husqvarna Practica. Yeah, I picked this machine up at an op shop actually. So you know, quite a good find. It looks in pretty good condition. It's had a little bit of use, I'd say, just judging by the wear on the arm here. But yeah, we call them op shops here. It's short for opportunity shops. Yeah, so in America I think you guys call them thrift shops, but we call them op shops here. But yeah, generally they're charities, run by charities and whatnot. So yeah, come across machines like this from time to time in the op shops. So yeah, at some stage I'll do a video on this. These are quite nice, and I don't know what condition it's in, but mechanically it looks reasonably good. You can see here this one's got a similar type of bobbin case, almost identical. So you know, as I say, this video covers the 2000 models. There's Practica here. There's another one called I think it's called a Combina. The class 19, the class 21s, all those sorts of models. Anything that has a bobbin case that looks like this. If we have a quick listen to this machine, we'll just install the bobbin case there, and we'll give the machine a wee run here. You can hear that harsh noise there. Pretty nasty. A really quick fix for that, just to get you going, is to remove the bobbin case here. One way of dealing with this, if you don't want to put too much oil in, is just get a rag, get some sewing machine oil, just get a little bit of oil on there, and just touch the rag up and down on this shaft here, and just give that a wee wipe with the oil soaked rag. And let's have a wee listen now. A lot better. So that's a common point that, you know, gets noisy in these machines, and just a little bit of oil there makes a huge difference. Yeah, so I hope you found that helpful, and thank you very much for watching.